Hi, my name is Alan. I'm a Power Apps champ and also I'm a Microsoft MVP. So today I'm going to walk you through a solution on how to draw live Raffle tickets here using Power Apps, right? So today, because of COVID-19, a lot of the live event of physical drawing that we used to do in terms of drawing Raffle tickets, we can't perform it anymore physically. To perform the live drawing across a Teams meeting, and we want to do it in a very exciting way and fun and lots of actions, right? So today you will see this example. You'll be able to come up with something like this, what I have on the screen right now. So now we have a fairly good looking app now. Next thing is to show the winner's name on top, right? So what I would do is I'll just put a text, right? A label. Okay, now I have a label there. And I want to show, say, who will be our next winner, right? And I want it to be gold color, and then I want it to be in script, yeah, some sort of a script. Let's do this. Great vibes, and I'm gonna make it large. Okay, and I'm gonna make it in the middle. Okay, so who will be our next winner? Very simple. And then I'm going to display the name here. Okay, so but before we do that, we need to find out who is the winner. So in this case here, I have the ticket in here. So from here I should be able to find the name of the assigned to, right? So what I will do is I'll say set the winner's name, right? Okay, will be the first record of the random row, and I'm taking from the assign to, okay, and give me the name, which is display name. Okay, and that is the winner's name, right? And while doing that, I might as well just grab the picture as well, right? So I'm going to display the face of the person. I'm going to say this is the winner's photo. And then I will take the picture. Okay. Picture. Okay. And you can bring in more like job title, contact names, blah, 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 right? Which I'm not going to do it in this demo. So in here, so now I have the winner's name, I have the winner's photo. What I do is I will put in the name, right? So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to change this to the winner, right? So this will be winner name, okay? Name, and I'm going to make it white color. And I'm going to make it in the middle, yep, as well. It's blank right now because we haven't clicked on start to make this change, right? So that's fine. And then from here, at the same time, you want to time this name to not show so quickly, right? You want to hold the display of the name after the drum roll is finished, right? So very similar technique as the ring and as the number. So again, what we need to do is to bring in the timer, right? To say that if the time, if the flag of the drum roll is true, don't show the name, show something else, right? and then after the flag is finished, then you show the name, right? So the challenge is, what do you show in between, right? So to show in between, what I would do in here is that since I have a bunch of people that are participating in the raffle, so I am just going to show randomly the names from all these participants, right? So what you do is, again, you need something that keeps rolling, so you need a timer. So what you want is the app to look up some random numbers from a pool of assigned names, right? So what I will do is I go to on start, okay, and make sure that when we start the app, we do the same thing. We do one time pooling of all the tickets, right? All the tickets that are assigned. So we say take the raffle tickets. So collect assign tickets, okay. Filter this thing and show just assign equal yes, yeah. Okay, so now I have a collection called assign tickets of those tickets that were sold, right? So next, what I need to do is to create a timer to hold the random names of the winners, right? So what I would do is insert a timer. See, and the timer value, I'm going to sync it to the duration to be equal to the number of rows I have in the raffle tickets. In this case, I have 1000 numbers, so I put 1000 as a duration. And this timer, I want it to start again when the drum roll start, right? So drum roll, right? Okay, whenever the drum roll starts, the timer starts. And the difference here is the text. Yeah, so the text, I do not want to show the clock, right? The countdown clock. What I want to show is really much the random name from the assigned tickets. So what I would do is I will say look up from the assigned ticket, okay, and then say that from these assigned tickets, give me the show me the names based on the clock that is the timer that is moving, right? So I say filter look up the ticket number based on the timer of timer 3 value, okay, and then say from here give me the assign to display name. Okay, so with that it should give me the names, right, of reading from the timer value that's matching the ID. So I'm going to change this quickly. This is timer random names, random winner names, okay. Yep, and then let's give it a quick click. Bang, see, that's the name is changing. Oh, you see it stops after a while. It's because you notice that it stopped after a while because, again, the same mistake of earlier on, whereby I did not turn on the repeat, right? So what I need to do is just set this timer to repeat itself. Yep, and now it should be ready. Yeah, so it's moving. So you notice there's some blanks there. The blanks there is because the tickets, the ID number was not found. Yeah, the ID number was not found. The ID from the timer value is not matching the ID, so it returns 0, right? So to reduce that error, what you can do is give it divide by 2, yeah. So that gap will become smaller. Let's see. There you go, right? So the gap now is much better. So what I will do next is the winner's label here, instead of just winner name, I want it to hold, right? To say if the drum roll is running, okay, don't show the winner name, but show the value from the timer, right? The text from the timer, which is this one. Give me the value, the text. Okay, give me the text. And then if it stops, that's when you show me the winner name. Yeah. So now I can hide this. And let's roll. Voila, it's working, right? Okay, that's great. So now we have the name working as well. So I want the name to be a bit flashing again with the background. Yeah. So I will do this. I'll make them full width. Okay. And I'm going to make the background black. But again, I'm going to play around with the alpha value, right? So this alpha value, I'm going to use the same method as the ring, right? So I'm going to go back to the ring and copy this across. Yeah, you could make it into a variable as well if you want, right? So voila. So now I have a background that will flash as the thing move. Okay, so I'm going to make this to the back. Okay, so the button is on top. Yeah. And before that, I'm going to put the photo here. So right here, this demo, you just see a few names, because this demo I only have all my agents in there as sample winners. Yeah, want them to win. Yeah. Let's put the image, and I'm gonna make this image slightly bigger and make it say 180, 180. Yeah. And make them round. Okay, now the picture is this. I'm going to put the winner photo. Okay, ta-da! 180 seems a bit small, so I'm going to put 220, and 220 here. Voila! So now I have the winner picture. So now I can start again. So again, I forgot to apply the hold, right? So I need to make the picture from show I do not want the picture to show until the drum roll is over, right? Okay, so for the photo, to control the display of the photo is slightly different from text. So what you need to do here is to go to the visible. Yeah, go to the visible setting and say that it's not always true, right? It is only true when the drum roll is over. So you say drum roll is true, give me false, otherwise give me true, right? Okay. So now let's try. Okay. So if I do this again, if drum roll is true, is don't show. Drum roll finish, to show, right? Voila! Now it's working. Yeah. And so far so good. Except the title. The title, who will be the next winner? I want to show congratulations after it is clicked, right? So what you want to do is to toggle between this and a congratulations text. So I want a congratulations text. Yeah, congratulations. Yeah. So I want to say if congratulations is showing, the other one should not show, right? So let me change this title, congrats. Okay, and then this is title, title who. Yeah, then I say title who will be the reverse of title congrats in terms of visible, right? So I will go to here and choose visible. It's not always true. This is the reverse of the label title congrats dot visible. Okay, so if congrats show, the other one won't show. Okay, so I'm going to make this larger as well. So congratulations will show when you have a winner. However, congratulations will not show when the start button is clicked, right? When the engine is running. So when the engine is running, you want the congratulations to drop off, right? So this one will be not the drum roll, right? So when drum roll is running, it will not show. There you go, right? Okay, so you can do that, and with that we are nearly done, right? So we have this and this, and we have the title. You can bring the title down a little bit. So try it. Yeah, so now we have a working raffle machine, yeah, with a good sound, exciting, generating exciting atmosphere with some flashing of the images of the objects and flashing of the names, and now you learn how to control the showing or not showing and delaying the result display on the screen as well, right? So I hope this helped you and explore it further. We can certainly add more on this site, which I will keep it to part 2 to show you a list of the raffle items and the corresponding winners on as a hamburger menu, right? So there will be a hamburger menu and a gallery pop out on the site to check on the various winner of the draw.